Hello students, today we are going to discuss maths formulas, trigonometry. So trigonometry identities total we are going to discuss today. So how will it origin and I will know the what is the values of these trigonometries. So we are going to discuss today. So first we start with the basics. Okay, basics. Here first trigonometry total depend on right angle triangle only. Okay, so right angle triangle. So this type of right angle triangle. Say here 90 degrees or else it is here 90 degrees. So here A, B or C, or otherwise here A, B, C. Okay. So let theta is equal to alpha here, this side. Okay. So sine alpha is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Means opposite means BC. BC divided by hypotenuse means AC. Okay. So like this, adjacent. Adjacent means here AB. AB divided by AC. Here hypotenuse AC. So cos alpha this one. This one tan alpha. So tan alpha is equal to how much? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite means BC. So BC by how much? AB. So here tan is equal to sin alpha divided by cos alpha. Okay. So this is a tan formula. So cosecant formula. So 1 by sin cosecant alpha is equal to 1 by sin alpha means reverse of the sine. So hypotenuse by opposite means AC by BC. Here secant alpha is equal to 1 by cos. Okay, 1 by cos alpha. So reverse of this one. So reverse of this one. Hypotenuse divided by hypotenuse means how much? AC. So AC divided by how much? AB. So cot alpha is equal to 1 by tan alpha. Okay. So here we can write it as cos alpha divided by sin alpha also. So adjacent by opposite. So adjacent divided by opposite. This adjacent will go up and opposite will come denominator. So this is the formulas of the basic formulas of the trigonometry. So please keep remind this. So it will useful in doing the problems. This is a right angle triangle. So this angle we are going to this opposite, this hypotenuse, and this is adjacent. Okay. So here Pythagoras theorem is also there. Pythagoras. So is equal to, so hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. So this is the Pythagoras formula. Please remind. So it will use in the trigonometric ratios and formulas and other things. So here reduction formulas. Sin minus x is equal to minus sin x. So minus sin will come out and it will become the minus sin x. Cos minus x is equal to plus cos x. Cos minus x is equal to plus cos x. Sin 90 minus x is equal to cos x. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta. Sin 90. This is pi by 2 means pi is equal to 180. So pi by 2 is equal to 90. Okay. So this is sin 90 by 90 minus x is equal to cos x. Okay. So cos 90 minus is equal to minus sin x. Okay. So sin 90 by 90 plus x is equal to cos x. Same here, same. So cos 90 plus x is equal to minus sin x here also. So this one sin of 180 minus here pi is equal to 180. I told you know. So sin of 180 minus x is equal to sin x. Cos of 180 minus x is equal to minus cos x. So sin of pi plus x is equal to this. These are the same terms. So please remind this reduction formulas. It is important for your examination purpose or while doing the problems. These are important formulas. So basic identities. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So this is another first one, this one, and this one second one. So tan square plus 1 is equal to 1 by cos square. So we can write it as secant square x. Okay. Tan square plus 1 is equal to tan square x plus 1 is equal to how much it will be secant square x. Okay. So tan will goes here. Okay. Secant square x minus tan square theta is tan square x is equal to 1. So here secant square minus tan square x is equal to 1 also. It can be written as like this also. So here, so we can write it as cosecant square x. Okay. So cot square x plus 1 is equal to cosecant square x. Okay, so it will goes here. So 1 is equal to cosecant square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. These are the three identities. It will help you in the while doing the problems of trigonometry. Here sum and differences of formulas. Sin alpha plus beta is equal to sin alpha sin beta, and sin beta into cos alpha. These are important. These formulas go through while once. Sin of alpha minus beta is equal to sin alpha cos beta minus sin beta cos alpha. Here same. So minus will come ahead here. Cos alpha minus beta cos alpha plus beta is equal to, so 2 cos come here and 2 sin comes here. Okay, cos alpha into cos beta minus sin alpha into sin beta. Okay, this one. So cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Okay, tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. So these are the important formulas. These 6 identities, 1 2 3 4 5 and these 6 identities are very important. So please remind this one for inter students, intermediate students, it will help you. So double angles and half angles formulas. Sin 2 alpha is equal to sin alpha cos alpha is very important. So cos 2 alpha is equal to cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. So tan 2 alpha is equal to 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha. So sin alpha by 2 is equal to plus or minus under root of 1 minus cos alpha by 2. So we can, whenever you get like this, you can write it that same this one we can write it as like this one. So then you will get answers for if submission this formula too. So cos alpha by 2 is equal to plus or minus under root of 1 plus, here sin alpha is equal to 1 minus cos, here cos alpha is equal to 1 plus cos alpha divided by 2. So these are formulas. Tan alpha by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos alpha divided by sin alpha. So it is reverse of this one. So same like here tan alpha by 2 is equal to plus or minus under root of 1 minus cos alpha divided by 1 minus sin 1 minus cos alpha, 1 plus cos alpha divided by 1 minus cos alpha. So these are the double angles and half angles, very important intermediate students also. Some important laws of cosines. Okay, here laws of sines, and here area of triangle formula. So a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc into cos alpha. Whenever the formula comes in the alpha angles like alpha angle or beta angle into gamma angle. So whenever a comes, it is alpha, b comes beta, so c comes gamma. So b square is equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac into cos alpha beta. It will come in the exam like while doing the problems. So we have to submit there these formulas. Okay, so laws of sines, you know already, sin alpha divided by cos alpha, so sin beta by beta, sin gamma by gamma. So area of triangle, this is an important area of triangle like this. So here a means this one a small a, b means here small b, and this one c, here c is equal to small c here. So a is equal to half into ab, area of triangle is equal to half into ab. So height into base into, so this one sin alpha sin gamma. Okay, you do these problems. So these are the important formulas of trigonometry. So please remind these formulas, and you will get benefit from these formulas. Thank you, students. So please share with your friends and subscribe. Okay.